pleased to welcome you to the Subregional Workshop on Biodiversity Monitoring and Reporting, taking place this week in Nairobi, the world's environmental capital. The focus of this workshop is to reflect on regional priorities and pathways to accelerate the implementation of Target2 of the Kunming Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework, ensuring that by
restoration success is not measured by numbers alone, but by survival rates, ecosystem functionality, biodiversity outcomes, and resilience over time.
It is not about perfection, it is about progress.
So it is therefore my honor to officially launch the Regional Center for Mapping of Resources for Development as a sub-regional technical and scientific cooperation support center.
We've come a long way to convince donors, decision makers.
And reporting requires time, requires funds, and requires people. So we really need support in that area.
There are gaps in all ecosystem data, and forest is still the major and most covered ecosystem.
addressing the multifaceted planetary crisis of biodiversity loss and land degradation, climate change, and pollution and waste demands collective commitment, cooperation, and solidarity.
The other thing is the Green Legacy Initiative. It has to be, this restoration issue was to be conducted through this Green Legacy Initiative. What it is, I will come.
Once we have completely tested the 17 steps that we will be able to publish and share.
One of the aspects of delivery is making our knowledge accessible in the easiest form as possible. So
it's great to hear that we've gotten Karura back from a 25% indigenous species back to 63 plus, I think it was.
It needs a whole of government and whole of society acceleration in the implementation of the Global Biodiversity Framework.